How's it going, guys? It's Going Off Grid. And today we're in my garage. It's a little bit different. Got a fridge that just broke, so we're throwing that out. And we got this Honda here, this EU7000, fuel injected. My buddy brought this here for me to take a look at. It's got quite a few hours, but not enough for it to be dead, I would think. So, we already checked the oil, so it's got oil. But this is what it does. I can start it in my garage because I have a vent there, and then there's a fan up there pumping air out. So we should be able to run this no problem in here. Start it, see what happens here. Oops. Now, is that a knock or is that just me? I don't know. Let's try it one more time. There's quite the click. So we're gonna try and find the knock sensor, see if I can disable it so it actually runs, and see what it sounds like once it's running. Okay, got the side panel open, got the oil plug out, or the level checker, and check this out, man. We're really full. Doesn't look that great in there, and it smells like gas. Yeah, it definitely has a gassy smell. So, first thing first, let's change this oil out. I'll put some new oil in it and see if it sounds any better. I highly doubt it. But we're still going to look for the knock sensor. Go from there. Okay, so we got the oil out. We're going to put some new oil in. This is what I'm going to run. This is made by Shell. 5W30. Even if this isn't the proper oil, it'll do the job for diagnosing the problem here. And let's fill her up. So the oil was over full, and I think it's because I had fuel mixed in it, but I'm not sure. So let's try this now. I did reduce the amount of oil in it. I got the sides open so we can hear it better now. Just me, or did it run longer that time? There is quite a click, man. Or a slap or something. Eco throttle off. Eco throttle on. Huh. One more time. Okay. Well, let's keep looking. Okay, so I have a sneaking suspicion it might be the fuel pump. I just took it out. I cleaned out the pickup as best I could. It was full of crap. It was black coming out. So we'll see if this does anything. If not, I will possibly get a new fuel pump for it. Okay, so I don't remember where I left off last, so let's go with this. So, here's the old fuel filter. This thing was not pumping quite enough. And it was still pumping quite a bit, so to figure this out, I went to YouTube, of course, because someone else has already had this problem. But there's a million other problems it could have had and a million other videos, so I tried most of them. What ended up being the right one was the fuel pump. So to diagnose this the way I did it, the way the video shows, you take this off, which is really easy. You just press this in, you pull, it comes off. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it a few times. Don't want to wear it out. But then what you do is you key the ignition and hit the start button, and you see how much it pours out. So you have a measuring cup, and if it's bad, it's about 100 milliliters or less. Even if it's a little more than 100, it's still bad. The good one did 1.2. So it did 1,200. Or, yeah, 1,200 milliliters. No, 120 milliliters. Sorry. And now it runs great. Let's take a look. See here. At least it did last time. just remembered I didn't turn this fan on here, so we're gonna turn this on real quick so it doesn't get stinky in here. All right, let's try it one more time. Make sure that our fan is all connected. Oh, it's not. 1 second. Okay, so retape that on there. Let's see how she goes. What do you think, Chris? Think it's fixed? It's got some stuff to put that back together, but it sounds good. Sounds really good, actually. Very healthy. Let's see if we got power. Let's plug something in. Okay. Compressor. Oh yeah. It's working. Great. Loud click when it stops, though. It's weird. Anyways, I'm going to call this one fixed for today. Just going to put it back together, and that's it.